water engineers had been recommending a maximum allowable fluoride contaminant of 0.1 part per million, that's ppm, maintaining a tenfold margin of safety. When fluorides were eventually added to the water through corporate pressure, that safety factor would be thrown out and at the level raised tenfold beyond the engineering recommendations in 1939 when fluoride was properly recognized as a toxic contaminant. Note: Mellon Institute was founded by Andrew and Richard Mellon, former owners of ALCOA, aluminum, plagued by disposal problems of toxic fluoride byproducts. So they had this toxic product. They decided they were just going to dump it in the water supply. 1939 U.S. Public Health Service regulations state the presence of fluorides in excess of 1 parts per million shall constitute rejection of the water supply. Yet when the fluoridation was instituted, levels were set at a minimum of 1 parts per million. Now let's go over into a separate tab and we're just going to look up fluoride levels in parts per million in New York City. All right. New York City's tap water contains around 1 part per million of fluoride. The New York City Department of Environmental Protection adds fluoride to the water supply to improve dental health. Okay. The CDC recommends a fluoride concentration of 0.7 ppm for community water systems to prevent cavities and the risk of dental fluorosis. So, in 1939, they're saying to reject anything above 1 parts per million. In current modern 2024 New York City, they're putting in exactly 1 parts per million of fluoride in the water.